so that it will match up. So make sure you got that. Now from here we just do the body of the toe, the body of the sock I mean, which all we do is we're going to be on this end. You just start purling in a circle. Here's your Kitchener. Now from here you need to make your sock big enough for your foot. Now the measuring, it took me a little bit to get the measuring down, but what you want to do, Dexter, you gotta move, buddy. What you want to do is just take a piece of paper and mark your toe and your heel, and then measure that, which mine is, I think, what, 9.5? Yeah, 9.5 is mine. For my first sock, I measured my body 5.5 inches long, which the way you measure is once it's on there, just put your ruler down in there and you measure, which I'm a little over 5 inches. It was not even, it wasn't quite a ½ inch too small. It's just very snug. So you want to add more to that. So 9 minus 5 is 4 inches. So you want to take the measurement of your foot, and you want to take 3.5 inches off of that. So for this project, instead of measuring 5.5 inches long, I'll actually be measuring 6. But I need to make a sock to match my other one, so I'm going to still measure it 5.5 inches long and find somebody with a foot smaller than mine and gift them. Now, you're still doing everything the same. You're still using your Kitchener. You're still just going in the round. Not your Kitchener, I'm sorry. You're still doing your knit stitch, going in the round, and then just every few rows, just put your ruler down there.